Tecno Camon 40, 256 gig ROM and 16 gig RAM. Let's unbox and then let's see what the Tecno AI, as they are saying right here, really comes with. If you're new, just follow me for more unboxing right here. We will be unboxing a lot of devices. So just check my profile or check the comment section description to know more about this device as well. Let's start this and let's dive into the Tecno AI, the Tecno Camon 40. Let's go. Alright, so there is it, Tecno Camon 40, Tecno AI. And let's open it from the box right here. Okay. Alright, so there is it. In the box we have the smartphone itself right here. We will look at it. And then inside we have the SIM ejector right here. And then we have one extra phone cover for your smartphone. This is not plastic but rubber type. Okay, and then we have the rant right here, and also inside we have the type C charger cord. This is the cord, type A to type C. Okay, then we have 45-watt charger. That means the device is going to get a fast charge, yes, because of the charger type. Okay, and then nothing else in the box. So this is what the device comes with. Now let's go to the device itself. You guys are going to dive in, but let's tear this off. Okay, and now let's go from here, and this is the device. Really nice right here. Let's look from it from the back and to the down and to the downside of it. So we have the speakers right here, the type C charging port, the microphone, and this is where we have the SIM slot. Okay, so let's look at the SIM slot a little bit before you continue with it. And if you haven't like and subscribe for more. So let's bring it out and let's see what we have right here. Okay, so with the SIM slot, what do we have? We have the SIM2 right here, and then at the back of it we have the SIM1. At the same time SD card, so you can literally put in any one right here. Okay, yes, so that's it for the SIM slot. Then let's put it back. Okay, and at the side of it we have the power key right here, and then the volume down, volume up. At the top of it we have the speakers again. So these speakers are from Dolby Atmos. Okay, and then we have the infrared right here, of which you can use your device to control your TV. At the side of it right here we have what we call the action button that you can use to turn on flashlight or do simple tasks. Use it for other features. Okay, so this red dot here is also another thing. You can check my profile and then know more about these things as well with the device. So more will be coming about the device. Let's turn it on. So right now, as the device is on, let's look at some of the features of the device. Okay, so this device is the Tecno Camon 40, and the storage is here 256. The CPU is Helio J100 Ultimate, and the RAM is 16 gig RAM. You can extend it because it is 8+8. The rear camera, which is the front camera, comes with a 50 megapixel camera that is from the back. Okay, so for the back camera it is 50 megapixel camera, and then the front is 32 megapixel camera. The battery is very good, insane right here, 5200 mAh. Okay, so I'm just hoping that this device will really serve its purpose with the battery, because I know Tecno, I'll be using Tecno, so as they are saying 5200, you should expect very big strong battery in the device. Okay, it is running Android version 15. Okay, Android version 15 right here. So yes, it's good. And these are some of the things that you should know. With the screen, it is a 1080 by 2436. That is for the device. Okay, so one thing that I would like you to also see is where we have the security. Okay, so with the security option where you can protect your phone, I mean making sure your phone is safe, you can choose to add your fingerprint, or you can use the face unlock, or just your pin, or your password. Okay, so that's one thing. So we have this for the face unlock, and then the fingerprint is also located right here. Okay, now with the camera, it can also shoot with the video up to 2K. Okay, so you can see right here 2K 30 fps. Okay, so when you tap on it right here, you can also change it to any one of your choice, but 2K is the highest for your smartphone. Okay, and it also supports dual video recording, so you can also record back and then also front at the same time. Okay, and then we have the flash snap right here, where you can easily capture moving objects right here. Okay, so you can also capture moving objects and get the best out of it. So you can see right here, yes. And we have portrait as well for you, the super night, and most of it all, yes. So a lot in the device. We have the super macro right here to take, small images, okay, or pictures, to give you that detailed picture, okay, from what you have captured. Okay, so now let's dive into another sector where we have the Tecno AI. So you just tap on the power key for some time, and then the AI will be turned on. Okay, so you can talk to your AI, that is the Ella, and then it will also give you anything that you want. Also, we have this right here. As I have talked, everything will be in the comment section to know more. But when you tap and hold, it can also activate Ella for you. Yes, it's also another short way to do that. So literally, this is how the device is. With my first talk with the device, I would say it is good, it's very neat, and I like how it is designed. Okay, it is very sleek right here. When you look at it this way, it is very, very sleek, very, very small, and I like how it is designed. It's good though, but unless we have tested and used. Okay, so just stay tuned. We'll bring you more updates about the device and everything I need to know about the device. It's just the unboxing and some little thing I need to know after the device is on. Stay alive, and I will see you in the next video.